remember last Christmas, how so many of you pitched in. I was thinking, these doggone Zionists keep uprooting the trees of the Palestinians, and it just the olive trees, and it really bugged me. And I was thinking, well, for Christmas, maybe I can use my sphere of influence and get a couple people to donate. And I was hoping to be able to plant 100 olive trees, and the trees came out to roughly $6.50 each. So I wanted to raise that amount of money, and I appealed to you guys, to my audience, and said, hey, can you chip in? And in the end, by the time it was done, we raised over $9,000, and we planted almost 1,200 olive trees in Palestine. And it was just, I didn't anticipate that. That wasn't my goal for us to raise that much, but we did raise a lot. And I think that when it comes to trying to do good in the world, the reason there's not more good is that we have that minimalist mentality. We think, well, we can't make a difference. What could I possibly do? When there's so much evil and there's so much wickedness, what good can an average, normal person like me do? What difference can I make? But the thing is, it's that kind of thinking where we're always waiting around for someone else to be the one. Yeah, I'll chip in if somebody else starts something. Think of how much, and it doesn't have to be about fundraising, raising money. There's so many things we can do where we choose to be the leader, where we choose to take the initiative, where we have our own personal little ministry, in a sense, not to preach, but our own ministry to do good, to try and uplift other people, to make it a habit, a practice, to put good out into the world. So my question for you guys that you can share in the chat is, what can you think of that an average person can do to make a positive difference, to help other people? And if you want to share that in the chat, I'll come back and read it.